Alright, this is where I'll be scrambling at today. You see crab eyes there, Ferryman's Traverse, around Lost Dome. And you can see Mount Mitchell way there in the back. I won't be heading there today. But I'll be concentrating on this area and then a little bit south of here on the Widowmaker, Maple Canyon. Time permitting, I'll check out crab eyes again. I've been up there quite a few times, but it's really cool. So, alright, let's go do some scrambling. Alright, so I'm just north of Crab Eyes. That's Crab Eyes right there. We got Lost Dome right here. I'm gonna head this direction. I know you can get to the top of that via some climbing routes that are on the west side. I don't know if that's called Hidden Wall. I'll have to look that up when I get back. I can't remember what that route is. But I'm gonna head up here and explore a little bit and then drop over into Ferryman's Traverse. Alright, so got Ferryman's Traverse right here. That's where I'm headed next. That's Lost Dome. It's really hard to see from this angle, but there's an arch right there. And maybe more of just rocks lodged, I'm not really sure, but this is what it looks like when you're climbing through. Alright. So right there where that big rock is, that's where the clam is. Yeah, this thing right here. Pretty cool little area to go through. Alright, now I'm south of Crab Eyes. No, southwest, it's right there. And I'm turning my attention to Ferryman's Traverse. Some climbers down there at Lost Dome. Some good routes there. So that's where I was a while ago up there. Here I am about 30 minutes later, top of Ferryman's Traverse. Beautiful day. A little bit windy, but a beautiful day. Alright, so this big canyon below us is Maple Canyon. On the horizon over there, we got Granite Mountain. And on the horizon over there, we got Charon's Garden Mountain. Pretty good visibility today too. See Vernon, Texas. I can see all the way over to Navajo Mountains and Altus Air Force Base, Snyder. Beautiful day, not a cloud in the sky, which kills time lapses, but that's okay. Alright. Gonna keep exploring around up here for a little bit, and I'm gonna make my way down into Doom Canyon, and then I'm gonna go over and get some shots of a cave slash mine slash arch. You have to decide what you think it is. It's an interesting rock. Top of it, strange. All right, come down from the east peak of Ferryman's Traverse. That's the west one. I'm in the saddle here, heading towards Doom Canyon, which is right there. I'm probably going to head up that direction on top of Widowmaker. Then I'm going to start heading to the east and head towards that cave. Tell you what, man, it's February and I feel like I'm about to get a sunburn. Alright, Ferryman's Traverse right there. I just came down that saddle. I was up there. As you can see, I guess there could have been a couple of ways down, but that part right there is not going to happen. I'll come out and climb that other one at a later date. I've gone around it a few times. If you go right out Maple Canyon here, you go out to Mount Mitchell. And on the horizon you can see the Glen Mountains that are just north of Tom Steed. Okay, so this is Doom Canyon, Maple Canyon. This is the confluence of them right here. almost to the top. So once I get to the top, then I will go a little bit south of Dino Rock to hit that little cave. Alright, there's a Dino Rock. Good shot of Granite Mountain there. So we got Forbidden Canyon coming through here. It's really nasty, man. There are briars, mesquite trees. You're gonna get sliced up going through there. And Styx Canyon is just on the other side. And this is Twin Rocks Mountain right here. There's the false summit and then the main summit's behind it. This one's a lot easier to see now because that tree has fallen over. I know a few years ago the tree was standing up and it was nearly impossible to spot that thing. You just have to accidentally stumble upon it, but now it's a lot easier to find. It is tucked up pretty high though, here in a canyon, South Widowmaker. But yeah, you know, not really an arch because there's tons of rocks. I always consider an arch just like maybe one, but you know, it looks more like your typical Wichita mountain cave, which is a mine. The tailings have probably washed down from rain and stuff like that, flash floods. So anyway, it's pretty cool. I'm gonna take a breather and then go explore it again. Yeah, there's where I was walking just now, up there on top of that Dino Rock. Got a lot of other videos where the kids and I are in this area hiking. Alright, let's start heading back. Now, we're probably just a few weeks away from spring starting, and all the trees getting their leaves back, everything greening up, flowers coming in, and all these tributaries come alive. Just waterfalls everywhere. I didn't get out here last year to film any new waterfalls, so I'm hoping to do that this year. I've got a few circled. Just about timing, but I've got a very busy schedule, so just have to hope for the best. It's another pretty cool cave up there. Doesn't go back too far, a few feet, but it's a nice little shelter if you get caught in the weather out here. Still climbing.